Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader. 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 3rd, 2022. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe, share the video. Click the thumbs up. Let's talk about Chainlink. Okay, here we are. We're definitely breaking through. Man, we were down here at 18.99, 19, busted all the way above 23. Remember this turquoise line? Well, we interpolated that. We knew that was the bottom. It was the bottom. And by the way, the last video we also talked about one of the underlying pairs. Remember, you're only looking at a quarter of the story by looking at Link US dollar. If you're an investor, you need to do a little bit more than just looking at the dollar pair. Anybody can do that. There's 99% of the videos out there that will do that. This one will go through a little bit more than just that. I won't run through Fibonacci's and trend lines alone. Look at the underlying drivers of Link US dollar, of which there are two. Number one, Link Bitcoin. This is the one we talk about all the time, and we know where the bottoms are. And this is the bottom for the most part of this year and into last year. 3,600 is the line of support, and we've known this all year long. Now what's happening is now we're starting to melt up. We're getting past this area. This is called the giant spaceship. That's right, and here we go. And look, we're just about to blast right past it. We might pull back here. Make no mistake about it. We're at 5,079. We jumped dramatically. Bitcoin pulling back as much. And Bitcoin dominance only went down a smidgen of a percentage. But, Link Bitcoin is definitely starting to gear up. Now we have a good 3 to 4 months left on this remaining price action that should fill in here. However, the joke is up. At some point, people get it. Most people, most people can, especially technicians and investors, big money investors, can see the end of a triangle when they see it, right? And they'll make their move ahead of time. So this has been going on for quite some time. This is going back since August of 2020. We are now in January of 2022 with only a few months left. This is a small period of time. So we could start to see this thing melt up, or we could see it come back again. So a little too soon to call it just yet. And I'm not going to tell you which way it will go because I don't know and nobody does. But we do know that right now our current area of resistance is around 5,000. And we have support down here around 4,500. If we can get past 5,100, we're in really good shape. But right now, let's go over to Bitcoin US dollar and take a look at what's going on here. Just like multiple times in the past, over the past month, we see a floor of support around 45.5. And we hit it again today and bounced back up. I think 45.5 is our grueling low. I don't think we go below that. I don't even think we go to 44. A lot of people calling for it. Doubt it. I think we're going to wind up bouncing back up. But right now, Bitcoin's at 46,232. Bitcoin dominance only went down a little bit here. We'll see. We'll see how this thing pans out. But right now, Link is 23.46. Don't just look at this pair. Look at the Bitcoin version of this pair. This is more telling. Trust me on that. Anyway, I'm out. Talk soon.